I'm often asked the question, what makes AURA such a special, unique air purification system? And I suppose that's a reasonable question because almost everybody's first impression or first experience with AURA is that of air purification. And it's a natural question because when you look at the device, it seems small, it seems like it's really just a simple little device, and people are pretty amazed when they discover that it really is a great air purification system. It controls odors, it controls pet odors. It does a great job with mold and mildew and bacteria and viruses and even small particles in the air. And so the assumption that it is an air purifier is perfectly natural, but the real answer is that AURA represents a breakthrough in technology. AURA represents an achievement that we've been working for years and years and years. The world has known, the scientific world has known, that the outdoor air is better than the indoor air. And you can measure the effects of it, but you can experience it as well. I think everybody that spends a great deal of time outdoors knows that the indoor air does not act or even feel the same as the outdoor air. But the problem has always been that we've assumed that if we could clean up the indoor air, that we could make it like the outdoor air. But after years and years of working to try to clean up indoor air, even though we've gotten it clean, it still does not have the characteristics of the outdoor air. AURA has been the first to be able to establish that breath of fresh air, that energy that you experience in the outdoor air, in an affordable, achievable appliance that can now bring that air indoors. Bringing that outdoor air in is more than just a symbolic thing, because the other scientific studies and recent scientific studies have shown that the more time that people spend outdoors, the less problems that they have with respiratory problems, with sleep problems, with just general health problems. Even things such as appetite and psychological problems are somehow related to the time that we spend in the natural outdoor air. AURA has now provided a means by which we can experience that same outdoor air quality indoors and have the benefits of both an air purification system and a system to re-energize the air and establish that freshness that we all love to experience outdoors.